Hello friends, hope you all doing well. So today in this video we'll discuss about the reflex arc. So let's talk about the reflex arc. So what is reflex arc? So what is reflex arc? So reflex arc is an anatomical nervous pathway. It's a pathway, anatomical nervous pathway for the reflex action, which is that is called. It is a anatomical nervous pathway. It's a anatomical nervous pathway. Okay, for the reflex action it is called reflex arc. In a simple reflex arc there are 5 components. In a reflex arc there are total 5 components. So there are total 5 components, and these are, that is receptor, which is receptor, and from receptor it is this is the center, this is center, and this is afferent nerve. So at first receptor, and then afferent nerve, and then center, then efferent nerve, and at last muscles. And this is muscles. So these are the uh, 5 components of the reflex arc. They are receptor, number 1 receptor, number 2 afferent nerve, number 3 center, number 4 efferent nerve, and number 5 is muscle. Okay, let's talk about the receptor. So receptor is the end organ which receives the stimulus. When it receives the stimulus, when the receptor is stimulated, impulses are generated in efferent nerve. Okay, afferent nerve, sorry, generated in afferent nerve. So it is the end organ which receives the impulses when the receptor is stimulated, and impulses are generated in the afferent nerve. And now talk about the afferent nerve. Afferent or sensory nerve, it transmits the sensory impulses from receptor to the center. So afferent transmits the impulses from the receptor to the center. Efferent nerve, this center receives the sensory impulses via afferent nerve, and it sends the motor impulses. It may be in the brain or the spinal cord. Now the from center to efferent nerve, so it transmits the motor impulses from center to the effector organ. Okay, that is muscles. Now the effector organ or the muscles. Now the effector organ like muscles or glands show response to stimulus. Okay, so these are the pathway of the reflex arc, at last the effector organ or muscles. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe this channel if you like this. Okay, bye.